Welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. SIT grills former Mines Minister DIGAMBAR KAMAT at Crime Branch for nearly 2 hours in illegal mining case. ARVIND LOLYEKAR also interrogated. Conspiracy in morgue sensor failure, says Lakshmikant Parsekar. Hints at an insider's hand. Probe ordered report within 3 days. Parsekar assures tough action. MGP meeting on MOI postponed. 3 legislators out of station on meeting day. Meeting slated for next Saturday now. Vijayapagi murder case heading nowhere even after 8 days. 2 suspects on radar, but no arrest till now. No corroborative evidence till now. And English Premier League too close to call, but Manchester City are favourites to win, says former Manchester United star Dennis Irwin. Now the news in detail. SIT grilled former CM and Mines Minister DIGAMBAR KAMAT for nearly 2 hours on Saturday in the illegal mining case. Sources claim that KAMAT was quizzed over Vaikund mines at Kepe. SIT had altogether summoned 6 persons for interrogation. Former Mines Director ARVIND LOLYEKAR and JB Bhingi were amongst them.
Former Mines Minister DIGAMBAR KAMAT reached Crime Branch office at around 3:10 in the afternoon. Thereafter, he was interrogated for nearly 2 hours with regards to illegal mining case. Sources claim that DIGAMBAR KAMAT was quizzed in connection with Vaikund mines at Kepe. After the interrogation, DIGAMBAR KAMAT refused to comment or react on the matter.
No comment. Sir, तुमका इस political game कशी? No comment. I'm not comment. Sir, तुम्ही फोटोन भी ना पहिला? फोटो ना पहिला? बोल रहे क्या?
Altogether, 6 people were summoned by the Crime Branch for SIT probe. They were DIGAMBAR KAMAT, former Mines Minister; ARVIND LOLYEKAR, former Mines Director; JB Bhingi, former Mines Director; VP Shetye, former Law Secretary; Smita Chandwani, Under Law Secretary; Sham Sawant, Technical Assistant. ARVIND LOLYEKAR, former Mines Director, was the last to leave the Crime Branch office after interrogation. LOLYEKAR refused to comment when he was asked whether he was made a scapegoat in the illegal mining scam.
See, they have asked me some general questions.
General in what sense?
No, it is going on. Inquiry is going on.
Sir, तुमका दिसता है सगळ्या प्रकरणात तुमका बळीचो बकरा बिन काय?
हांव काहीच उलयना तेजेर. ना 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 काहीच उलयना.
फोटो दाखयला सर तुमका?
हय.
केन्ना?
पळया ते सांगता म्हणला.
All 6 were summoned by the Crime Branch in the illegal mining case. No fresh summons are issued till now. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
A dead body of a youth from Macy's had decomposed in the newly opened morgue of the GMC. Reason: the sensor dose was not functioning. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar doubts a foul play behind malfunctioning of the sensor. Minister has ordered a probe in this matter and said the department will get the investigation report within 2 to 3 days.
कॅबिनेटांतलो सेन्सर हो डॅमेज जाल्लो आसा. हांवें तेचेर इन्क्वायरी लायल्या. म्हणजे डॅमेज बेठोच बॉडी दवरता आसतना जावं शकता की कोणे तरी नाटकां केलीं. भितरलोच आमचो कोण तरी रस्त्यार आमकां घालपा खातीर ही आजनेरी केली. हेची एक चवकशी आमी करपाक लायिल्ली आसा. थंय सॅबोटेज करणारे सुद्दां अनेक लोक आसतात. सॅबोटेज करपाक भायलो कोण येतलो असो ना. आनी म्हाका 1-2 दिसांनी रिपोर्ट मेळटलो. हांव ताचो HOD कडेच HODकूय सांगलो.
रिपोर्ट येतकच एक्शन जातली.
Obviously एक्शन जातली.
When we asked Parsekar why government inaugurated partly equipped morgue at the GMC, Minister said that actually they had postponed the inauguration.
Full forensic block हो फाटली विधानसभा चालू जेन्ना आसली 6 म्हयन्या पयलीं तेन्ना पूर्ण जाला. तेन्ना म्हाका क्वेश्चन विचारला पूर्ण जाला आनी तूं उद्घाटन कित्याक करिना. आमी म्हटलें की ना, उद्घाटन करपाक पूर्ण तयार जावंक जाय, म्हणजे कॅबिनेट्स मेळूंक जाय. कॅबिनेट्स म्हयन्या 2 म्हयन्यान येतले. कॅबिनेट्स पावले की आमी सुरू करतले.
None inspected morgue the day the body decomposed. Minister clarified that henceforth inspections will have to be carried out at regular intervals.
आणि इन्स्पेक्शन हरशीं जाता न्ही ते बी जावंक नाशिल्ले तेन्ना
बॉडींचे आय विल फायंड आउट. म्हाका सोदून काडूंक जाय, नाजाल्यार पिरियडीक हें लावंक जाय.
But GSIDC Managing Director Sanjeev Rodriguez has refuted allegations of partly equipped morgue at GMC. He says, though there are few touch-up works going on at present, morgue is operating well.
If you expect the full commissioning to happen on the day of inauguration, it is wrong. The commissioning has to happen as and when the morgue is operational. You cannot just cut a ribbon and say that it is operational. The functioning of the machinery will take time. Because of this incident, we are taking reports every 6 hours. The temperatures are being checked both by the doctors and the technicians. It is unfortunate if this incident happened. Whether it is technically wrong or medically wrong, I will not be able to comment. But at the moment, we have had bodies which have been put in. Bodies which are going out also we are testing.
Sneha Sabnis and Adik Moraskar for Prudent.
Marathi protagonist MGP has decided to be on back foot on MOI decision taken by their alliance head CM Parrikar. It seems they are in no position to speak at present. MGP did not hold its crucial meeting on MOI scheduled on Saturday. MGP has postponed its all meetings as all 3 MLAs are out of station. MGP officials and spokesperson refused to react on the MOI crisis.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar declared the MOI policy approved by Cabinet on 22nd January. 16 days have passed, but MGP is unable to hold a meeting on the issue. MGP ministers Davlikar brothers and MLA Lau Mamladar have preferred to be mum on Parrikar's decision. Even the meeting on MOI as declared earlier by MGP did not happen. As per Deepak Davlikar, meeting is postponed for next Saturday. Minister Sudin Davlikar had earlier on 31st January announced that MGP would declare their stand on MOI after the meeting on Saturday. But is this a coincidence that all 3 legislators of MGP are out of station on the meeting day? Now MGP has decided to convene its MOI meeting on next Saturday. MGP's stand on MOI is highly awaited. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.